Are you tired of having to manually display external images in Gmail every time you open an email? Well, good news! In this video, I'll show you how to always display external images on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your browser. Next, look for the gear icon in the top bar and click on it. Then, click on Open All Settings to access the settings menu. From the General section, find the Images option. Click on it and then select Always Display External Images. This will ensure that all external images in your emails are automatically displayed without you needing to do it manually every time. Once you've made this selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes to confirm your preference. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, so make sure to do so to ensure the changes take effect. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can now always display external images on Gmail on your PC without any hassle. Give it a try and enjoy a more seamless email experience. Thanks for watching.